New developments this morning in the search for missing 1-month-old Delano Wilson. After spending days searching the nearby river and surrounding woods, police are now searching the parents' home. Sunrise reporter Carrie Klein is live near Chase and Oliver Streets with details about that search. Carrie?
Hey, good morning, Bruce. Well, crime scene investigators have been on the scene all night long, searching inside and outside the home. And as you can see, they are still here as the search for baby Delano Wilson continues. And we're told when police first arrived on the scene last night, the first thing they did was escort family members, including the baby's parents, out of the home. The crime scene investigative unit then started the process of carefully going through the house. Police tell us this search is part of a long, ongoing investigation for the missing baby that's not in any way connected to any new information in the case. Now, the 1-month-old went missing last Wednesday when the father says he was walking along a nearby alley carrying the baby, and a couple attacked him and snatched the baby out of his arms. At this point, neighbors are at their wits' end.
I just want to know if he's in there alive.
That's the main thing. We just wondering about the baby.
Everybody out here has at least searched their trash can or their backyard for the baby from day one, and we just want to know if he's alive. And if he's not, and he's not in there, then we need to keep on looking for him.
Now, since Delano was first kidnapped, police have searched the nearby White River. They've combed nearby woods by air and on the ground with searchers and tracking dogs. At one point, police said they picked up a scent of Delano and or his father, but so far they have yet to find the missing baby. Now, initially an Amber Alert was issued, but after tips started to dwindle, it has since been canceled. But police say they are still earnestly searching for Delano Wilson. And if you have any information that could be of help to them, you're asked to call Crime Stoppers at 262-TIPS. Reporting live from the city's southwest side, Carrie Klein, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.
All right, Carrie, thank you.